Every single candlestick on your chart represents a hidden battleground. If you zoom in on the price action, you will see a constant cycle where institutional money sets traps to capture retail traders. The tool to decode these traps is a refined version of candle range theory, or CRT. We are looking past the basic shapes to track the exact phases of accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step mechanical plan to identify the manipulation phase early, allowing you to ride the market's true distribution alongside smart money instead of getting trapped. To use this strategy, you just need a basic understanding of major trading sessions, like the Asian and London kill zones, and know how to spot a fair value gap. Understanding this specific three-part sequence removes the guesswork from chart reading. It turns a chaotic screen of red and green into a highly predictable mechanical system. Step 1 is establishing our range. Open your 15-minute chart and locate the preceding trading session. If you are preparing to trade the London Open, you start by isolating the Asian session. Look closely at that cluster of price action. Highlight the absolute highest and lowest 15-minute candles within that specific time window. These wicks are your boundaries. They hold the most concentrated pools of resting retail liquidity, buy and sell stops left by early traders. A common mistake here is treating any random, large 15-minute candle as a valid CRT range. Do not just pick a big candle that looks convenient. Avoid relying on arbitrary, fixed times like 1 a.m. or 5 a.m. to draw these lines. If you ignore the actual session extremes, you will build your trading plan on false setups. By using the session's true highs and lows, you are drawing dynamic boundary lines. These lines perfectly frame the exact zones where the next session's manipulation is forced to occur. Fast forward your timeline to the volatile opening minutes of the next major window, like the London session. Wait patiently as the price begins to push toward that previously drawn upper liquidity boundary. Watch the price action on this chart. Here is the exact moment of manipulation. The price violently thrusts past the boundary line to sweep the resting liquidity. This deceptive upward move is entirely engineered, triggering retail stop losses and baiting breakout triggers. While retail buyers chase the breakout, smart money absorbs that volume, building their own massive short positions. Notice how the candle body drops and closes back inside our 15-minute range. That immediate rejection is our critical first layer of structural confirmation. Surviving this intentional fakeout, simply by waiting for the sweep and rejection, is exactly what separates traders following institutional volume from the trapped retail liquidity. Once we have that 15-minute rejection, immediately drop down to the 1-minute chart to hunt for microstructural evidence of a reversal. We want to see a recent bullish fair value gap broken to the downside, transforming into an inversion fair value gap. By violating that bullish gap, this newly formed zone flips its purpose. What was once support now acts as a hard resistance ceiling for future price action. But be careful, you cannot blindly enter on the first inversion fair value gap. You need to apply the change in state of delivery rule. A valid entry requires a 1-minute candle body to close completely below the specific bullish impulse candles that cause the initial manipulation sweep. Combining the inversion fair value gap with this strict closing rule acts as your ultimate filter. It protects you against lower timeframe noise and premature stopouts. With confirmations locked, place a sell limit order at the lowest edge of the new inversion fair value gap. Set your stop loss just above the highest wick of the manipulation move. For take profit, target the Asian session low, or a fixed 2.5 risk-reward target. Setting these exact entry, stop, and target parameters completely removes human emotion from the execution process. Now, let the trade play out. Price retraces to tap the limit order at our new resistance before initiating the true downward distribution phase. Notice the aggressive move. Once the retail trap is sprung, price moves straight into our take profit with massive momentum. The market is never completely predictable, but waiting patiently for this sweep sequence guarantees you place your orders directly inside the smart money footprint. Try pulling up the euro-dollar on your charts and backtest the sequence during the London Open. If you want more mechanical trading edge like this, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.